Listen to me right now because you are absolutely cooked. Your bank account is looking incredibly sus, and your financial aura is currently resting in the negative thousands. You are getting massively phantom taxed by your own brain every single day. I am not even joking. You are losing 10 bands, $10,000, gone, evaporated into the Ohio ether. And along with that $10,000, you are losing your absolute freedom. You are living like a literal NPC in a matrix designed to drain your wallet and keep you endlessly swiping your little plastic cards. But we are going to fix this today. We are going to unplug you from the broke simulation. We need to talk about the ultimate final boss of behavioral economics, the absolute sigma male of human psychology. Dr. Daniel Kahneman. This guy literally mapped the human brain and discovered that we are all hardwired to take massive financial losses. He won a Nobel Prize for basically proving that human beings are completely irrational when it comes to money. He figured out why you keep buying absolute garbage you do not need. Kahneman introduced the world to the concept of two different operating systems running in your head, System 1 and System 2. System 1 is your default NPC brain. It is fast, it is emotional, it runs on pure vibes, instant dopamine, and a 3-second attention span. System 1 is the part of your brain that wants to chug a grimace shake and buy heavily overpriced crypto coins because a random guy on the internet said it was a good idea. System 1 is chaotic. Then you have System 2. System 2 is the locked-in, mewing, deep-thinking, looks-maxing sigma brain. It is logical, it calculates, it reads the terms and conditions. The problem is, System 2 is incredibly lazy. It is always sleeping. So System 1 does all the driving, and System 1 is a terrible driver who keeps crashing your financial car into a brick wall. This internal battle is creating 3 massive cognitive biases that are stealing your money. Let us get into the first cognitive bias that is destroying your life, the sunk cost fallacy. This is the ultimate trap for your aura. Imagine this scenario. You buy a totally busted used car, a complete junker. You spend $2,000 on it. A week later, the transmission explodes. Your mechanic says it will cost another $2,000 to fix. Your System 1 brain starts panicking. You think to yourself, well, I already put $2,000 into this car, I cannot just give up now. So you pay for the transmission. Another week passes, the engine completely dies. Another $3,000. You pay it again. Why? Because you refuse to take the initial L. You are diamond-handing a terrible decision. You do this with everything. You buy an expensive ticket to a music festival. On the day of the festival, it is pouring freezing rain. You feel sick. You have a massive headache. You know you will have a terrible time if you go. But you go anyway, standing in the freezing mud, absolutely miserable. Why? Because you already spent the money. You think going to the festival somehow gets the money back. It doesn't matter. The money is already gone. It is sunk. But your brain refuses to accept it. You are pouring your precious energy, time, and future money into a black hole just because you started pouring it in yesterday. This bias alone keeps people trapped in dead-end jobs, toxic relationships, and terrible investments for years. You have to learn how to cut your losses. You have to look at a bad situation, realize it is completely chalked, and walk away with your head held high. Now brace yourself for the second cognitive bias. This one is called loss aversion. This is the reason you are absolutely paralyzed by fear when it comes to growing your wealth. Kahneman proved something absolutely wild about the human brain. The psychological pain of losing $10 is twice as intense as the psychological joy of finding $10. Let me repeat that because it is vital to your survival. Losing hurts twice as much as winning feels good. Imagine you are walking down the street and you find a crisp $100 bill on the sidewalk. Massive W. You feel incredible. You have peak riz. Your day is made. But now imagine you reach into your pocket later that afternoon and realize you dropped a different $100 bill. You are devastated. You are sliding down the wall crying. Your world is ending. The pain of the loss completely erases the joy of the gain. Because of this, your System 1 brain turns you into a complete coward. You become so terrified of losing money that you never take a single calculated risk. You leave all your savings sitting in a basic checking account, earning 0% interest. You think you are being safe. You think you are being a responsible Sigma, but you are actually getting cooked by inflation. The invisible matrix of inflation is eating your purchasing power every single year. You are guaranteed to lose money in a bank account over time, but you accept this slow, silent loss because it feels safer than the temporary ups and downs of actually investing in real assets. You are literally paying a premium just to avoid the feeling of temporary regret. Loss aversion is keeping you poor. It stops you from starting that business. It stops you from buying real estate. It makes you panic sell your investments the second the market turns red. You have to reprogram your brain to accept short-term volatility for long-term absolute victory. Moving on to the third cognitive bias, the anchoring effect. The retail matrix uses this against you every single day to extract your hard-earned cash. Your brain relies heavily on the very first piece of information it receives to make decisions. That first piece of information is the anchor. Let us say you walk into a store at the mall. You are looking for a new hoodie. You find one that looks decent. You check the price tag. It says $300. Your System 1 brain immediately screams, that is way too expensive. But wait, there's a giant red sticker over the price. The sticker says, sale, today only $80. Suddenly your brain lights up with pure dopamine. You feel like a genius. You feel like you just hacked the mainframe. You grab the hoodie and practically sprint to the cash register. But hold on, let System 2 wake up for a second. That hoodie was never worth $300. It was made in a factory for $4. The store never intended to sell it for $300. They just put that fake number on the tag to drop a massive anchor into your brain. They anchored your expectations so ridiculously high that $80 suddenly felt like a massive steal. You did not save $220. You spent $80 on a cheap hoodie you did not even want when you woke up this morning. This happens everywhere. You go to a car dealership. The salesman hits you with an outrageously high monthly payment first. He tells you it will be $900 a month. You gasp. You say, no way. Then he goes to his manager, puts on a fake show, comes back and says, good news, I got it down to $600 a month, just for you. You sign the paper immediately because $600 feels so much better than $900. But the car was only ever worth $500 a month. You got played by the anchor. You are being manipulated by arbitrary numbers printed on cardboard tags and computer screens. So here's the harsh reality. Your System 1 brain is actively trying to ruin your life. It is impulsive, fearful, and easily tricked. And this internal chaos is manifesting as real objective physical pain. Think about it. When you look at your credit card statement, what happens? Your chest gets tight. Your breathing gets shallow. Your cortisol levels absolutely skyrocket. You get stress headaches. You cannot sleep at night because you are thinking about your debt. This is not just a mental issue anymore. The financial stress is physically destroying your health. Your adrenal glands are constantly pumping out stress hormones because you lack the discipline to stop swiping your card. You are addicted to the dopamine hit of buying things, followed immediately by the crushing physical anxiety of being broke. You cannot just rely on willpower to fix this. Willpower is a complete myth. Willpower gets exhausted after a long day of school or work. By the time midnight rolls around, your willpower is at zero, and you are on your phone aggressively buying absolute garbage online. You need a physical solution to solve this physical pain. You need to literally hardware ban yourself from spending money. This brings me to the ultimate life hack to escape the financial matrix. I need you to go to the link in the description right now. There are two things you are going to get. First, you are going to get the physical book, Thinking Fast and Slow by Dr. Daniel Kahneman. This book is the literal software patch for your broken brain. It will teach your System 2 to wake up and take the wheel. But a software patch is not enough. You need physical hardware restrictions. The second thing in that link is a physical Amazon product called the Kitchen Safe Time Locking Container. Yes, I am being totally serious. It is a clear plastic lockbox with a digital timer on top. It was originally made to lock up cookies so people would stop eating junk food, but we are going to use it to lock up your financial junk food. We are going to lock up your credit cards. When you feel the urge to spend money on useless things, or when you get your paycheck and you know your System 1 brain is about to go crazy, you are going to take every single credit card you own. You are going to put them inside the kitchen safe. You are going to set the timer for 7 days, and you are going to press the button. Once that button is pressed, the box locks. There is no override. There is no secret code. There is no way to open it unless you literally smash it with a hammer. Your cards are trapped in a plastic prison for an entire week. You physically cannot spend money online. You cannot go to the mall. You cannot impulsively buy a bunch of fast food. You have successfully contained your chaotic System 1 monkey brain. Imagine the physical relief. Imagine the sudden drop in cortisol. You do not have to stress about making bad financial choices today because you literally do not have the physical ability to make them. You have outsourced your discipline to a plastic box. It is the most based, high IQ strategy for anyone who struggles with impulse control. While your cards are sitting in timeout, you are going to sit down and read Kahneman's book. You are going to learn about the sunk cost fallacy so you can stop throwing good money after bad. You are going to learn about loss aversion so you can finally start investing your cash into things that actually build wealth. You are going to learn about the anchoring effect so you never fall for a fake retail sale ever again. You are losing 10 bands because you are letting a prehistoric reactionary brain run your modern financial life. You are giving up your freedom to corporations that know exactly how to trigger your cognitive biases. They want you to be an NPC. They want you to stay distracted, broke, and anxious. They want your cortisol high, so you seek comfort by buying more of their useless products. It is time to break the cycle. Stop letting your emotions dictate your wealth. Stop holding on to bad investments just because of your pride. Stop being terrified of calculated risks. And most importantly, stop letting fake price tags anchor your reality. You need to protect your aura at all costs. You need to build a fortress around your wealth. Click the link in the description. Get the book. Get the time-locking container. Put your plastic in jail. Upgrade your mental software. Wake up your System 2 brain and let it start calculating your path to absolute freedom. Stop getting phantom taxed by your own biology. Unplug from the matrix, lock in, and start building your financial empire right now. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.